If you are still upgrading Revit models with the conventional way, you are doing it the risky way. There is a better method. Today I'll show you how to upgrade Revit models using Autodesk Construction Cloud safely, cleanly, and professionally. Most people upgrade like this, but here are some risks. Your file can get corrupted. It will take long time in the upgrade. There could be more challenges when you are working with a central model. Your team members will not be able to work and going to be logged out while you are doing the upgrade for the longer durations. There could be version confusions and you don't have any control on the upgrade. And when it is a cloud model or a shared project, it becomes even more dangerous. That's why serious BIM team don't rely on manual upgrades. Instead, use Autodesk Construction Cloud. ACC allows you to upgrade model directly inside the cloud environment. No risky local openings, no messy version control, cleaner workflow. Let me show you how you can do this. Log into your ACC project, go to Docs, choose Settings, and from here go to Revit, and then Revit will going to find what newer release are available for Revit. It will take a little time. Now you can see it tells your current release is Revit 2023 and you can upgrade it to 2024, 25 and 26. So whatever version you need to upgrade to, you can choose from the list and you can simply say upgrade. It says that you won't be able to save or work during this time, but this is a quick method to upgrade your files. So just select upgrade. The method is ideal when you are working with cloud models, team collaboration, large files, multi-version office environment, BIM projects with strict workflow. Before doing the upgrade, you should be informing your team members. You should be taking a backup, check your add-ins compatibility, review project dependencies, confirm target Revit version. The upgrade is easy, but planning your upgrade is important. So next time, don't just open the project and upgrade blindly. Use ACC, work smarter, safer, and professionally. Once your upgrade is complete, you will receive an email, and also on the web portal, you will find a message says cloud model upgrade is completed. So now our model is updated to Revit 2025 and still it suggests that you can upgrade it to the next available release. Hope you have learned something new. Thank you.